I'm Hadiya Williams, and I am a surface designer and decorative artist based out of Washington, D.C. It really kind of drove home the need to tell this story within this space, thinking about what this home kind of represents as, being a Black American and, thinking about the Gilded Age, thinking about craftsmanship and who did a lot of the craft work during that period. Just the ornate design, and then seeing the original breakfast room, which is the installation room we have in the historic text, and seeing how full and how maximalist it was. I think that really kind of crystallized the fact that we wanted to, because we wanted to do that, but seeing it and being like, okay, this room calls for that anyway, so we're going to just lean into to that history as well. Does it make someone feel something? That's always the end goal, which is, in design, I tend to think of what I do as intuitive, and I appreciate that part because that feels very spiritual. So knowing that, if someone steps into a space or holds something or, experiences something that I created or had a hand in creating, that moves them and that makes them feel something, that's always the success for me. So, yes.